This is Back in Business, a community-led architectural proposal that sits at the heart of Sturchley High Street. The project celebrates local identity, small businesses and Sturchley's independent spirit. It builds upon the area's rich social and industrial history, offering a space that encourages collaboration, creativity and visibility for making. The site sits at a key entrance point to Sturchley, highly visible from the main road and accessible from a quieter side street that leads into a residential neighbourhood. This makes it an important threshold for the community. British high streets are in decline, with falling footfall and rising vacancy rates. In Sturchley, there was a poor quality design proposal for this site. I wanted to challenge that, responding with strong, meaningful elevations that acknowledge the identity of the area, drawing from traditional shopfronts and alleyways that make the high street special. Back in Business evolves from my earlier Semester 1 project, Metromorph, which introduced Sturchley's revival, though more dynamic temporary intervention. Where Metromorph was mobile, Back in Business becomes a permanent home. The scheme was developed through analysis of local landmarks, identifying shared architectural features like form, materials and rhythm, and reinterpreting them with a forward-looking approach. I took particular inspiration from Richard Rogers, blending traditional materials with high-tech components. This combination reflects Sturchley's culture of making, where grassroots crafts meets innovation. The aim was to support a shift from small-scale experimentation to high-performance fabrication, not replacing the old ways but building upon them. The layout of the site follows an arcade-like logic. It's designed to invite wandering, with no entrances directly on the street. Instead, visitors move through a central courtyard, a space that offers markets, shared thresholds, and community zones. This makes it possible for even off-street businesses to gain visibility and connection. The programme includes a bakery, brewery, workshops and a gallery space, all open to local makers. A shared grain room sits at the heart of the scheme, symbolising collaboration across industries. Moving through the site becomes a journey of discovery and making. The environmental strategy is equally embedded. Hot making zones like the bakery and brewery are positioned on the cooler northern edge, while the roof is equipped with north-facing roof lights and south-facing solar panels. Passive stack ventilation is used to reduce mechanical load and improve comfort. One of the key elements is a vertical high-tech entrance feature that draws out stale air using height and wind cowls. It also offers glimpses into the baking process, reinforcing the idea that making should be visible and not hidden. Technically, the scheme includes a bespoke gutter system, held within the stone exterior and anchored by the brickwork. The structure is composed of a warm ventilated roof, limestone cladding cut with diamond patterns that catch evening light, and a cantilevered reinforced concrete slab tensioned with steel wire, and glulam rafters tied to reclaimed masonry walls. Together, these materials create a tactile, honest language rooted in its context. The courtyard is adaptable, a shaded and open space in the summer, enclosed and warm in the winter with bifold doors. A cantilever walkway allows visitors to view the inner workings of the bakery and brewery, a way to honour process and participation. One of the key spaces is the gallery, where exhibitions explore Sturchley's future using architecture as a platform for local voices. In conclusion, Back in Business is both a celebration and an evolution. It honours Sturchley's working legacy whilst proposing a sustainable future based on visibility, collaboration and care. In a time when British high streets are struggling, this project offers a model for revival through localism, design and making. Thank you.